Hello, traders. FS Speculator here. Today is Monday, November 27th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian starting on the monthly, working my way down to that 1 hour time frame. So, on the dollar CAD monthly, I think this first push down is definitely, even though it's more like a three-way pattern, does look to me impulsive like an A or a 1. This move up is definitely five ways, but I think it's a five-wave correction like a motor wave B or a motor wave 2. I think there's a good chance we're going down for a wave C, which would look something like that, but it could possibly go all the way down to here if it really is a wave 3. It probably is more likely an ABC correction and end up looking something along these lines before it does end up going back up. So let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, now this is definitely three waves up right here, but I think there's a good chance that we have a three-wave trend for the wave 5, which definitely does happen. Especially looking at correlated pairs in the US dollar indexes, I think there's a very good chance that this is going to continue down. Most likely it's going down to make that wave C, like I was showing on the monthly time frame. Taking it down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see impulsive down, either an A or a wave 1, that should say A or 1, and then either a B or a 2. It seems like this should now be going down for a 3 or a C. Now, it could possibly be a wave C. It could possibly end up turning back up and going like that. But I think it's more likely, especially looking at correlated pairs, that this is going to go down, probably at least down to these lows and beyond, to make a nice 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, probably a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of wave C. So let's keep going down to that 4 hour time frame. So with all that information in mind, I should be looking at anything to the downside as nothing more than a pullback to the downtrend. I would definitely be looking for three-wave counter-trend moves to go short for the continuation of this downtrend. Even if it does end up being a wave C, which I kind of doubt it is, I think it's more likely a big downtrend for a wave C like I was explaining on the weekly time frame. But either scenario, I think that the downtrend is not over, and I would definitely continue to look for shorts at the end of pullbacks. So taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame, I don't think it's ready for a short yet. If anything, this looks impulsive like it's an A. Maybe it's going to end up making a B, maybe back up for a C. Now if I see three waves up, something like this, 1, 2, 3 waves up, 1, 2, 3 waves up, something along those lines, three-wave counter trend move, and then an impulsive move to the downside, especially if it happens at a Fibonacci retracement of the last push down, then I would for sure take that as a short, potentially for the continuation of the downtrend, which on the higher time frames, I think we're most likely in a wave 3 of wave C, especially when we look at correlated pairs. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.